वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 12 इंडिगो एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्लास 12 इंग्लिश फ्लेमिंगो बुक चैप्टर नंबर 5। चैप्टर नंबर 5 से पहले हमने सारे चैप्टर करा चुके हैं। वाले वीडियो लेक्चर चैनल पर विजिट करके देख लीजिएगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेक्चर। थिंक अस यू रीड की क्वेश्चन आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, लिस्ट द प्लेसेस दैट गांधी विजिट बिटवीन हिज फर्स्ट मीटिंग विद शुक्ला एंड हिज अराइवल एट चंपारण। आंसर है बिटवीन हिज फर्स्ट मीटिंग विद शुक्ला एंड हिज अराइवल एट चंपारण, गांधी जी विजिट कानपुर, हिज आश्रम at Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur, and from there arrived at Champaran. Question number second है, what did the peasant pay the British landlords as rent? What did the British now want instead and why? इसका आंसर है मोस्ट ऑफ द लैंड विच वाज फिट फॉर प्लोविंग इन द चंपारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू लार्ज estates owned by Englishmen and worked by Indian teams. Indigo was the cheap commercial crop. The landlord compelled all teams to plant 320 or 50% of their holdings with Indigo and surrender the entire Indigo harvest as rent. Question number 3 है, what would be the impact of synthetic indigo on the prices of natural indigo? आंसर है the landlord Leon the Germany had developed synthetic indigo. The Theorepan obtained agreement from the sharecropper to pay them compensation for being released from the 50% arrangement. They did so because the synthetic indigo prices would be cheaper than the prices of natural indigo. इसके बाद है थिंक अस यू रीड की क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, द इवेंट इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट इल्यूस्टर गांधीज मेथड ऑफ वर्किंग। कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई सम इंटेंस ऑफ दिस मेथड एंड लिंक देम टू दिस आइडियाज ऑफ सत्याग्रह एंड नॉन वियोलेंस। इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गांधी जी began by trying to get the fact. For this purpose he visited the secretary of the British Landlords Association, but he refused to give any information to an outsider. Next he called on the British official commissioner of the Tirhut division in which Champaran district lay. The commissioner bullied him and advised him to leave Tirhut. Next question है, why did Gandhi agree to settlement of 25% refund to the farmer? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, हर साल बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है। 2018, 19 से 20 में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है, इसलिए जरूर देखिएगा। आंसर है अकॉर्डिंग टू गांधी जी द अमाउंट ऑफ रिफंड वाज लेस इम्पोर्टेंट देन द फैक्ट दैट द लैंडलॉर्ड्स हैड बीन obliged to surrender a part of the money and with it part of their prestige. The peasant learned courage and how to defend his rights. Keeping it all in view, Gandhiji agreed to settlement of 25%. Within a few years, the British planters ab- abandoned their estates, which reverted to the peasant. Question number second है, how did the episode change the plight of the peasant? इसका आंसर है गांधी जी never contented himself with large political or economic solution. He saw the cultural and social backwardness in the Champaran village. He wanted to do something about it. Immediately he appealed to teachers and their wives and teacher from various cities and volunteered them to which primary school were opened in six villages. Some sort of medical service were also started. This is how the episode of Champaran changed the plight of peasant. इसके बाद है इंडिगो अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेस्ट। सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, वीडियो लास्ट तक देखिएगा, आपके 5 नंबर पक्के होने वाले हैं। इंडिगो से 2-2 नंबर के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, वाई डू यू थिंक गांधी कंसाइडर द चंपारण एपिसोड टू बी टर्निंग पॉइंट इन हिज लाइफ। और अथवे में ये भी पूछ सकता है, हाउ डिड चंपारण एपिसोड प्रूव टू बी अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इन गांधी जी लाइफ। 2022 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है ये वाला, ठीक है। इसका आंसर है, इन 1917 गांधी जी फॉट विद द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट सक्सेसफुली टू गेट जस्टिस टू द चंपारण पीजेंट। ही रिमाइंड इन चंपारण फॉर an interviewed period of 7 months. Then again he had been going there for several further visits. The Champaran episode was turning point in Gandhiji's life. He explained that what he did was an ordinary thing. I declared that the British could not order me about in my own country, but Champaran did not begin as an act of defense. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, हाउ वाज गांधी एबल टू इन्फ्लुएंस लोअर। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इंटेंस देना है आपको। आंसर है, गांधी जी ऑन हिज वे टू चंपारण स्टॉप्ड एट मुजफ्फरपुर टू obtain more complete information. Muzaffarpur lawyers called on Gandhiji to brief him. They frequently represented peasant groups in court. He scolded the lawyers of collecting big fees from the sharecroppers. When Gandhi received summons to appear in court, he scolded the lawyer for collecting big fees from sharecroppers. When Gandhiji received summons to appear in court, he telegraphed Rajendra Prasad to come from Bihar with influential friends. Thousands of peasants had gathered around the courthouse. इसके बाद राजेंद्र प्रसाद, ब्रिज किशोर बाबू, मौलाना मजहारुल हक and several other prominent lawyers had arrival from Bihar. They confirmed with Gandhi. Gandhi asked them what they would do if he was sentenced to prison. The senior lawyer replied that they had come to advise and help him. If Gandhi went to jail, there would be nobody to advise and they would go home. Question number third है, what was the attitude of average Indian and smaller localities toward advocate of home rule? आंसर है, IMP क्वेश्चन है, होम रूल इज द राइट ऑफ कंट्री ऑफ रीजन टू गवर्न itself especially after another country or region has governed it. In those years, India was ruled by the British Empire, so the person like Gandhi wanted freedom of their country and the right of India to govern itself. So were advocates of home rule. British rulers thought such persons as their enemies. While on his way to Champaran, Gandhi decided to go first to Muzaffarpur to obtain more complete information. Question number 4 है, how do we know that ordinary people to contributed to the freedom movement? इसका आंसर है, no freedom movement can be successful until the common people are involved in it. Leader can guide the fifth amidst, but the movement can only be successful if general public is wholeheartedly involved in it. To fight for the justice to peasant or sharecropper of Champaran who were being exploited by Englishmen landlords, Gandhi led the movement. Many eminent lawyers and other leaders were also involved. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, हर साल परीक्षा में पूछा जाता है क्वेश्चन। दो क्वालिटीज ऑफ गुड लीडर एंड इजी से इजी आंसर है इसका। ये आंसर है अ गुड लीडर इज एसेंशियली अ पर्सन हैविंग हाई प्रिंसिपल्स इन लाइफ। ही टेक्स utmost care of his country and its people. He is admired by the people. He should have the capability to influence the world and to change to the flow of time with his or her great thoughts and personality. Like Mahatma Gandhi, he should be a prince of truth and the emissary of peace. He should have firm path in non-violence. इसके बाद है इंडिगो एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन आंसर है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है छोटे छोटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, हाउ डिड राजकुमार शुक्ला इस्टेब्लिश दैट ही वाज रेजुलेट। एंड अथवा में पूछा जा सकता है व्हाई इज राजकुमार शुक्ला डिस्क्राइब्ड एज बीइंग रेजुलेट। इसका आंसर एक ही है, इसका आंसर है Rajkumar Shukla established himself as a resolute man by going along with Gandhiji everywhere that he went until the time Gandhiji agreed to help him. He was adamant to take Gandhiji to Champaran to solve the problem faced by the sharecropper there, and so he resolutely went everywhere with Gandhi until impressed with his tenacity, Gandhiji agreed. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है हाउ वाज गांधी ट्रीड अट राजेंद्र प्रसाद हाउस। अथवे में पूछा जा सकता है व्हाई डू यू थिंक द सर्वेंट्स थॉट गांधी टू बी एन अदर पीजेंट। इसका आंसर है, यह भी आईएमपी क्वेश्चन है, गांधी कमिंग अलोंग विथ राजकुमार शुक्ला हु वाज अ पीजेंट टू राजेंद्र प्रसाद हाउस। ही वाज ड्रेस्ड वेरी सिंपली सो ही वाज ट्रीट लाइक an untouchable peasant by not being allowed to drink water from the well. So thank you for watch this video. जो चैनल से लाए हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और इसी प्रकार की वीडियो के लाइक शेयर